Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I'm from Jobs in Sydney, Australia, from Facebook page and website sydneyclassified.org. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Sydney and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, in this time I will show you today's latest job. So guys, this is new one job, IT system support specialist required in Sydney. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. IT system support specialist required in Sydney. In this role you will be required to perform your duties both at customer premises as well as remote work from our offices in Sydney. Sought after IT person at Macquarie Park. Your responsibilities include lead, manage and assist with project-oriented tasks such as client system-wide upgrades, Azure and Microsoft 365 cloud migration, integration and routine updates, servicing multiple clients with diverse IT infrastructure including servers, network, wide area network, cloud integration and Office 365, desktop and laptops hardware and software. Maintain regular written and oral communication with client and their users, remote and on-site troubleshooting and support, assist level 1 and 2 technicians with escalations, liaise with users, suppliers, software and hardware vendors. Ideally, your qualification and experience will include at least 5 years of commercial experience in a user-oriented support capacity, relevant territory education in information technology, Microsoft Certified Associate Expert or MCSE. CompTIA certification is favorable, Network Plus Security and CYSA. Strong computer diagnostic skills using logical and methodical process. Microsoft Desktop Operating System and Applications, Microsoft Office 365 Administration, Exchange Online, SharePoint, OneDrive and Teams. Networking technologies, LAN, WAN, TCP, IP, DNS, DHCP, WLAN and VLAN must meet a high level of professional customer service, passion for technology. Familiarity with the following server networking and cloud technologies is advantageous: Microsoft Office 365 Admin, Exchange, SharePoint, OneDrive and Teams, Microsoft Azure, LAS and PaaS resources, Microsoft Office 365 Security and Compliance, Microsoft Windows Server roles, at DC, GC, GPO, FRS, Hyper-V, RDS, File and Storage Services, Network Policy and Access Service, Print and Documentation Service, Microsoft Exchange, SQL Servers, Sonic Wall, UTM Firewalls, Windows PowerShell Server and network-based backup and security system monitoring with SNMP and WMI, basic scripting skills, PowerShell, Ruby and HTML. We are looking for someone who has the following skills. Your interaction with our clients is pivotal in this role. We achieve this with super communication skills, both oral and written, excellent people skills and customer service skills, ability to liaise with client on and off site, analytical and logical problem solving skills for identifying and solving technical problems, ability to evaluate critical system and priorities work, ability to understand price performance and client satisfaction with resolving client issues, display motivation and commitment to work without supervision at customer sites, ability to recognize and follow up future upgrades and client needs, high level of professionalism and understanding of the business context, be established in Sydney with their own driver license and car, demonstrate a strong with ethic and contribute to a team environment, must be punctual and well presented at all time, good time management and organizational skills. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So guys, IT system support specialist required in Sydney. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience in relevant field and you must be graduate and these certifications like the MCSC Network Security Plus, then you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply and send your updated CV by send to this email address. So guys, salary and benefit not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So friends, I hope you understand. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily send your updated profile to this email address. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other category job available in the website. So you can easily visit and you can easily apply for the job. So guys, this link given in the video description on YouTube page and also job link available in the description. So you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process. So it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.